Hi everybody, this is Jenny and welcome to Miami Lit. Today I want to share with you my new pen. This is a Lamy 2000 in the medium nib. I have been eyeing this pen for quite some time and I just never could pull the trigger, but it is on sale on Amazon and I could not say no to such a nice discount. So the Lamy 2000, I don't know much about this pen except that it is on the Museum of Modern Art and it's won like so many awards and it's made with super cool material like black fiberglass and brushed steel and all these other things that I don't even know how to say. And I was hooked when I read that description because it is so beautiful. Anyway, that's not what I meant to say. It's supposed to be a work of art and I can see why. So this is the black one, although I don't know if they come in other colors and materials. Since this is the one I've always been eyeing, I've never really thought to look further into it, and I honestly never thought I would purchase it, but like I said, at such a nice discount I couldn't say no. So the nib is 14 karat gold, platinum coated, and I have the medium. If you've been around here before, you know I love a medium nib. Look at that. That is so cool. It looks like a hooded nib. And it's a piston filler. And then right here you have these 4 little windows that let you see how much ink you have. I was expecting a super weighty pen. I was expecting a pen that would it looks so sleek on the pictures that I thought it would slip out of your hands, but the weight is really nice with the cap being posted and without the cap. It's really comfortable. It's distributed evenly. Anyway, let's ink up this beauty. Excuse my nasty towel, but this is the one I use. And I'm gonna use Noodler's Heart of Darkness. If I can get it open. There we go. Does that happen to anybody else? I close things so tightly that then I have a hard time opening them back up. Okay, I'm nervous. So here we go. The piston's right here. And this is how you fill it up. Oh my god, did I do it correctly? Nope. Okay, I'm not paying attention. Alright, so we have to open it up first and then get the ink in there. I knew that. Let's see. I don't know, you guys. I don't think I did this correctly. But yeah, I can see the ink in there. Oh yes, I did do it correctly. I know you may not be able to see it, but the ink is in there and I could see it through the little windows. Alright, so let's give it a test run. Close this back up. We're going to test it first on my Leuchtturm. Oh my. This is nice. Let's post the cap because this is how I actually would write. I don't like to have the cap floating around on my desk. I feel like I'm gonna lose it. It is very, very smooth. I barely have to touch the nib to the paper. Wow. And my concern about it being slippery, that's so not true. So not true. It's like butter. Wow. And I'm really happy I went with the medium again. Here, medium. And now let's give it a try. This is my journal, which is a Hobonichi A6. Oh my goodness. This paper is just a dream. And then this is Noodler's Heart of Darkness. No bleed through. Okay, I think this is quickly going to be one of my top 3. I love everything about this pen. It is so comfortable. I'm gonna use it as my daily pen for a couple days and see how it goes, but I can tell you, first impression right off the bat, this is amazing. I almost wish I would have purchased it sooner. It's the perfect weight, it's the perfect size. I can't say enough about it. For different size comparisons as far as the actual pen, here, let me move this out of the way. Here is my Pelikan N400. So it is significantly larger. I would say about an inch larger. Here is my Kaweco Sport. Let's put it on this side. Way larger. I think this might be one of my largest pens. This is a Twisby, so very much like Twisby. A Sailor, much smaller. The Sailor's comparable to the M400. And a Lamy 2000 that needs to be cleaned. There we go. Oh, let me show you. How could I forget? The vanishing point. And hopefully that gives you an idea. It feels less heavy than the vanishing point. For sure. It feels less heavy than the brass, the Kaweco Brass Sport. It's a little heavier than the Pelikan. And obviously heavier than the Sailor. But I am very, very happy with my purchase. I really think my collection is complete. I don't see myself needing, well, I don't need all of this, wanting any other. I feel like this pen would do really well as an everyday pen. If you like a regular size pen, a heavy pen, I really feel like this could survive your purse, your briefcase, your backpack, and it will last you and see you through so many years. It really feels like a substantial pen. I hope this was helpful. and you found it interesting. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you're doing well, and I will see you next time. Bye.